Hi, folks. I really appreciate you opening this email because I know you don't want to open all emails that we send, but this one is really important. I want to talk to you about a really cool event we've got coming up, MT360. You've probably heard a little bit about it. It's coming up in Santa Clara, California, June 18th through 20th. It is all about what's going on in transformative technologies. And being an AMT member, you clearly understand how to leverage technology to drive manufacturing. You're already doing it. What we're trying to do is help you see where that's going in the future. The technologies in additive manufacturing, augmented reality, cognitive automation, and the digital thread, practical things that are out there today that you can leverage in these different areas. We have a fantastic list of speakers. They're coming from all different areas, from academia, from advanced manufacturing companies, from Fortune 100s, from startup companies that you can hear about what they're doing in this space. And then we've got a virtual factory where you can actually get down, touch some of this stuff, talk to the people that are doing every day, tech garages, solution cells, a bunch of startup clusters, really an opportunity to get out there and network, find out what's going on. We would love to see you there. It's going to be a great event. You don't want to miss it. It's the inaugural event this year. There's only 600 seats. That's all we can take in the theater. That's all we're going to have. So please get a ticket while you can before they're all gone. Wait to see you there.